Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I got really exciting setup for Windows 11. First thing, we have to install this software Rainmeter and then click on finish. And now here is some default skin. We have to unload this. Okay, now unzip these files. Then go to this folder. And here you can see this wallpaper. Just right click on it and then click on set as desktop background. Okay, now we have to apply the slide dock. So double click on slide dock and then click on install. Okay, then open Rainmeter from hide tray icon and refresh it and expand this folder. Okay, first we have to my computer. Here you can see this my computer. Just select on it and then click on load, and it coordinates here to 180. And then documents, then click on load. Then downloads. Okay, I done it, and now we have to make changes here. Okay, that's it. So slide dock has been set up now. Now we have to install another skins. Open Rainmeter again and expand this Windows new UI folder and load these icons. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and keep subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.